Hey guys, it's Bubbly. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I did this black and white melted Halloween makeup look. I really hope you guys enjoy. If you do, make sure to give the video a huge thumbs up. All the products will be listed in the description below, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is take this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk, and I'm going to map out where the black and white face is going to be melting in to the glam face. Alright? So once you have kind of a rough outline of where the black and white face is going to be and the glam face, we can go in with your foundation. I'm going to use Bin Nye Cream Foundation in Fair Lightest because I'm a pale motherfucker. I'm just going to take a semi-dirty makeup sponge, get that foundation on there, and start packing it on my face. I'm just going to take a damp beauty blender and blend that all out. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with Bin Nye's Cream Contour Palette, and I'm going to take this highlight color, which I'm also super low on, but whatever. I'm going to just take some on my finger and put that in my highlight places. Again, taking the beauty blender and blending that out. Helps if you make a bunch of weird faces while you're doing it. Once we blend everything out, I'm going to go in with Coty Airspun Loose Powder just to set the glam side. Taking a big fluffy brush and brushing off all the excess powder. I'm going to take some Bin Nye Super White Professional Powder, and I'm going to take some of that on a powder puff and bake my highlights. So because I have super duper hooded eyes, I just cover my entire lid and crease area with eyeliner pretty much and just forego that whole situation and draw on a new crease. So I'm just taking this e.l.f. cream eyeliner and a dirty ass and gold flat brush. And I'm going to just map that out on my eyeball. Okay, so I usually just start in the inner corner of my eye. Take that right up. I literally bring it like all the way almost up to my eyebrow. And then I take it to the end of my eyebrow and then I start to bring it back in. We're going for some Trixie Mattel eyeliner right there. In the spirit of Halloween, we're gonna do an orange eye over here. So I'm gonna just take this e.l.f. palette that I got that I'm pretty sure is discontinued now, but whatever. We're gonna take this light orange color right here. My finger is just in eyeshadow up here. Oh well. So we're gonna take that lighter orange color, starting at the end of where we mapped out our eyeliner. We're gonna just start swooping that in. I'm going right on top of my eyebrow, but you could be following your natural crease, you know, if you have one. But I'm going on top of my eyebrow and then bringing it back down to my nose area. I'm gonna go in with more of that color, just to liven it up a little bit. I'm also gonna wing that out a bit over here and bring it down on the other side of the eyeliner. Over here. You see that? Do you see what I'm doing? Alright, now I'm gonna go in with a brighter orange. This bright orange right here, okay? And a different fluffy brush. And I'm gonna take that brighter orange and basically just liven up this orange that I got going on, but I'm not gonna blend it as far out, so I'm keeping it closer to the bottom of where that new crease line is gonna be. Now I'm gonna go in with Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm gonna take this warmer brown color right here. And I'm gonna take that on the very inside of the crease to deepen things up a little bit. And I'm taking a denser fluffy brush for that. That wasn't enough product, so I'm getting more of that color, and now I'm gonna go in. There we go, you can see the product now. And then we're just gonna softly blend it. And then I'm going to go in with that fluffiest brush without any additional product, and I'm just going to blend all that together. So I'm just going to take a cute little concealer brush and the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk and carve out my crease. So once we carve out the crease with the cream white, I'm just going to go in with a shimmery powder white eyeshadow and set the crease. Now I'm going to brush away all of the excess powder. I'm going to go in with that same fluffy brush and the same light orange color and start taking that underneath my eyes, connecting it with the top right here. And then I'm going to go in with that other fluffy brush and the brighter orange and go in a little bit closer to the waterline. So I'm going to take a flatter, fluffy brush for the warm brown color and pack that pretty close to the waterline. So I'm going to go in with that same concealer brush and some more of the NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and take that in the inner corner underneath my eye, just to brighten her up a little bit. And then I'm going to take more of that shimmery white to set the cream. So now I'm just going to go in and fill in my lid with eyeliner and clean all of that up. So I'm taking the same angled brush and cream eyeliner. Who needs lids? So I'm just taking the black and Kat Von D Shade and Light palette and setting that cream eyeliner with eyeshadow, just to make sure that it doesn't crease up or move and that it stays pitch black. To do my eyebrows, I'm going to go in with a NYX eyebrow gel and blonde. I'm going to take an angled brush right here. So I'm going to start where my natural eyebrows start, sort of-ish, and then just kind of go from there. I'm going to go in with more of the product and start filling her in. And for a more in-depth tutorial on how to do your eyebrows, I actually made a tutorial showing you how to do 2 different types of drag eyebrows, so be sure to check that out. I'll link to it somewhere, okay? Description, the little card, I don't know what corner it's in. Contour my face, I'm going in with this e.l.f. Cool bronzer. I'm going to take these bottom 2 colors and kind of mix them together on this fluffy angled brush and tap it off. Just start building up my contour. I'm gonna take a smaller angled brush for my nose, and I'm just gonna do this color right here. I'm gonna take the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk again to brighten up the highlight on my nose. I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild Illuminating Palette, the white color right here. Then I'm going to take a mixture of this like pink and white right here and do my cheeks. I'm also going to take this e.l.f. Contouring Blush and Bronzer, just take a blush right here, just to bring a little bit of that into my face. For my lips, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Mineral Lip Liner in Rose, and I'm going to overline my lips. So after I overline my lips and fill in the corners a little bit, I'm just going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Lipstick in Naked, and just fill in my lips. And I'm going to go in with some NARS lipstick, just as like a shimmery nude color. So I ended up kind of hating the lips that I did, and I had a little bit of a breakdown, but managed to pull through. All I did was take the same brown eyeshadow that we used on the eyes from the Kat Von D palette and put it in the outer corners and blended it in a little bit. So let's do the black and white side of the face now, shall we? So I'm going in with this Halloween Store cream white makeup. Probably gonna regret this, but whatever, it's all I've got. We're just gonna get some of this lovely quality white cream makeup here and start putting it on our face. Now I'm gonna take a bunch of that Midnight Super White powder and a fluffy brush, and I'm just gonna pat that all over my face. Okay, after we set the whole area with the white powder, I'm gonna go in with NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk again and line my waterline. So I'm gonna take this kind of fluffy paintbrush right here and some gray eyeshadow, gray and black eyeshadow, and start to contour my face just a little bit. So once I've added the contour and highlight to the black and white side, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Pencil and clean up the kind of defining edge as well as add the melting bits. I'll show you what I mean. So I went back in with the cream white and did the little drips, set everything with powder, touched up anything that needed touching up. So for mascara, I'm just using Maybelline New York Lash Stiletto. So I finished up my mascara, threw on some lashes, and here she is. This is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments below what you guys want to see next. I really love hearing from you guys. Also, make sure to subscribe so that you can drag up your life like a queen. Let's keep the conversation going. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat at @thebubbly with an I instead of a Y, and I will catch you guys in my next video.